Welcome to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today I'm in a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV plug-in hybrid. This is the top of the range 5HS model, which comes with every optional extra known to Mitsubishi Outlanders, including the very common option, which is the 360-degree camera system. Now, we have changed the stereo in this one because the customer wanted Apple CarPlay wirelessly. This is a pre-2019 car, so it wasn't an option. And he wanted a bigger screen, far bigger screen, and to retain all the functionality of his steering wheel controls and 360-degree camera system. Now, we have gone with the rather large Kenwood DMX 9720. We've got another Outlander on our YouTube channel. That car actually belongs to myself, which has also got the same unit in. Really good unit. Doesn't act, even though it's so big, it doesn't actually block any usable functionality of the vehicle. So your rower switches below are still fully accessible, and you only have one air vent on the right hand side of this, not the left. So you're not blocking any of the air vent, but it's just extremely easy to use with how close it is. Now, this has got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So for example, if I want to connect my phone up to it, I just touch the phone symbol here. I'll go to my phone, go to Bluetooth. Let's quickly connect my phone up to show you how easy it is. Select the model down the bottom, and then we're going to hit yes on the screen, and we're going to go pair yes on the phone, and then we're going to go allow contacts to be synchronized, and then we're just going to wait for the phone to do the handshake, and then say, do you want to connect CarPlay? You say yes, yes on the screen, and then within about 10 to 15 seconds it will connect Apple CarPlay, just like so. Wait for my camera to actually focus, and there you go, CarPlay is now connected. So now the customer's got access to all the navigation apps you could possibly want, all the music apps, and in the internet radio apps too. For example, YouTube Music, TomTom, Tidal, Google, everything comes up on it. And this is from the driver's perspective, so even if it's quite a large 10.2-inch screen, it's extremely easy to use. And because you've got a big screen, it means the factory reverse camera looks even better. Get a much bigger image of the split screen with the bird's eye view on the left and the reverse camera to the right. This has actually kept all the factory functionality work. So if I put it back in park and I go over to the steering wheel to the factory camera button that you Outlander owners have and push it once, it's actually going to give me the picture of the overview of the 360 camera and the front camera now. And if I push it again, you then go straight to the front left camera to see the front wheel, which is handy for going for width restrictions. And if I push it again, it goes back to the Apple CarPlay screen. Seamless integration to the steering wheel controls. Obviously your skip buttons work, volume up and down works, and your phone buttons work. So you don't lose any functionality whatsoever. The only thing you're going to lose, which I don't think is any useful, speaking from an Outlander owner myself, you lose access to the EV mode, not EV modes, but EV information to tell you how much driving you've done on electric versus obviously petrol. But I don't see that a problem being lost, and I'm sure you wouldn't either if you go down this route, because the large screen or even just Apple CarPlay in general is a far better feature to have than, say, knowing just how many miles you're doing on electric. Now, that is about it. I'll tell you what we've also done on this, because this unit's come with its own USB, we've actually just quickly run that into the open trough up the top here. What we've also done for the customer, we've actually ran a HDMI input into this Kenwood and a power supply. Reason we've done that is so the customer can actually plug in an Amazon Fire Stick into this and have Netflix on the screen. Obviously to only use when you're parked or when you're driving, because that would be illegal, but extremely handy if you're waiting for someone or maybe, you know, stuck without being moved for an hour or so. Really nice, handy to use that functionality. An optional extra, but it's good, it's worth having. One more feature on this Kenwood that I love is a rotary volume dial. I'm not a massive fan of touch sensitive capacitive buttons that you have on the side of screens. I find them quite irritating to touch, and using the volume up and down, you're clicking it up all the time. This is far quicker to turn up and down. But yeah, this is a Kenwood DMX 9720 fitted into a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander 5HS model. Also compatible with all the other Outlander models. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Get in contact. Our WhatsApp number's on our website. My name's Connor, and all the team at John Cleese. We'll see you soon.